What if humanity's future lies not on Earth, but on the red planet? Imagine waking up in a dome on Mars, gazing out at a dusty horizon, and knowing you're part of the first generation of interplanetary settlers. Sounds incredible, right? Welcome to Science Sketches. If you're as excited as we are about humanity's leap to the stars, hit that subscribe button and join us on this cosmic adventure. Today, we're diving into the possibilities and the enormous challenges of colonizing Mars. Mars is often called Earth's little brother, and for good reason. Of all the planets in our solar system, it's the most like our own. Its day, known as a sol, is just over 24 hours, making it familiar to our natural rhythms. It has polar ice caps that could provide water, and its surface contains essential minerals. It's a tantalizing prospect for colonization. But don't start packing your bags just yet. Mars is no walk in the park. Mars may look like a peaceful desert from afar, but it's an incredibly hostile world. The atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide, and so thin that you'd need a pressure suit just to survive. Temperatures regularly drop to 80-degree Celsius, and at the poles, they can plunge even further. Radiation is another major hurdle. Without a magnetic field or thick atmosphere like Earth's, the surface is constantly bombarded by cosmic rays and solar particles. For future settlers, this means every moment outside would require heavy shielding. Even the planet's iconic dust storms can span thousands of miles and last for weeks, creating challenges for solar power and visibility. So, how do we overcome these obstacles? One of the first steps is building habitats that can protect settlers from the elements. Scientists envision sealed domes or underground bunkers that provide a safe, pressurized environment. These habitats would need advanced life support systems to recycle air, water, and waste. Food production is another critical piece of the puzzle. Martian soil, while rich in certain minerals, is toxic to most Earth plants due to high levels of perchlorates. Researchers are working on ways to detoxify the soil or grow crops in hydroponic systems. It's a challenge, but not an insurmountable one. But what if we could go a step further and transform Mars itself? Terraforming, a process of making Mars more Earth-like, is one of the most ambitious ideas in planetary science. Some proposals involve releasing greenhouse gases to warm the planet and thicken its atmosphere, creating conditions more suitable for liquid water. Others suggest redirecting comets or asteroids to deliver water and essential materials. These ideas sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but they're grounded in real science. However, terraforming is a colossal undertaking that could take centuries, if it's even possible at all. And it raises an important question. Should we alter an entire planet before fully understanding its natural state? And that brings us to another critical point. What if Mars isn't lifeless? NASA's rovers have been searching for evidence of past or present microbial life, and if we find it, it changes everything. Colonizing Mars could potentially harm or destroy native ecosystems, even if they're microscopic. This raises profound ethical questions. Do we have the right to alter another planet? How do we balance exploration with preservation? These aren't just questions for scientists, they're questions for all of humanity. But colonizing Mars isn't just about survival, it's about thriving. Imagine building a society from scratch, designing systems of governance, creating sustainable industries, and fostering a culture that reflects the diversity and ingenuity of humanity. These are challenges we've faced on Earth, and Mars will test our ability to work together in entirely new ways. Success will require innovation, cooperation, and a spirit of adventure unlike anything we've ever attempted. The dream of colonizing Mars is closer than ever, but it's still just a dream fueled by our imagination, determination, and curiosity. Will we see the first human steps on Mars in our lifetime? Will you be part of the generation that takes humanity to the stars? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If this video sparked your curiosity, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow space enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to Science Sketches. Together, we'll keep exploring the mysteries of the cosmos. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep questioning,